I never
Okay,
take. I never
guys.
take before.
Last day and last trip natin dito sa
Last
Tbilisi.
Last in this year just.
Yeah, this year.
This year, I hope, yes.
yeah, hope to
my dears.
see them again
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
future maybe. Yeah, are you ready for our last trip, guys?
Of course.
Gaano lang tayo mag cable car with papuntang mother of all
We
mother of
scared now.
Georgia.
Now we scared, but
Last day,
we can fly.
2 hours later, flight na namin, guys. So, let's go. Okay guys, we're here again in this bridge sa ating last tour, pahabol na tour. Ito lang sa city. Ayan yung ilog Pasig nila rin. Ganda. Cable car tayo. Ganda rito para may park.
Saan ba yun nung pumunta tayo ng ano, darling? Di ba sumakay tayo ng ganyan?
Ha?
Bilog.
Oh.
Sumakay kayo?
Ay, tayo.
Kung kasama natin si Abdullah,
Sa ano yan? Expo.
Expo.
Hindi naman ano yun eh.
Pero hindi ganyan, ano,
Machine
pero
yun.
ano yung bilog din
Ayan
siya.
guys, pwede kang ano, parang air balloon. Pwede rin
Sumakay yun.
sumakay dyan. Tapos makikita mo lang yung ano. Dali lang kayo sa kalangitan. Kalangitan! Yan, dito tayo sa cable car. Here we go. So, di ba nililinis nga talaga nila yung ano, para wala yung mga poop. Okay, we're here. Meron din palang ano, water slider. Where's that water slider?
Oh, different area. It's nice place.
Ah, this not here?
No, it's outside. It's in one region we have this Diamond Bridge and amazing.
No, we'll pay. How much?
Oh, come on! You can't.
Tama, siya lagi ano, nagbabayad ng mga ano namin.
I will fight with you now. Please.
Okay, this is the cable car. Gotta take that one.
Not so much people. Daytime.
Yung ano natin, service.
Parang hindi sila pantay.
Eh, nandito kasi sila sa gilid.
Okay, don't scare.
Okay, let's go. You'll not go? We all go.
Uy, magantay.
We can fly. Eyes closed, you see?
Yeah, better.
Hindi mo nakakatakot eh.
Oh, hindi. How many minutes is this?
It's very short, not so.
Maybe 3 minutes only.
Wait, it's written.
Tsaka ayan o, naka-close ka oh.
Kaya nga, hindi
Naka-close ka pa.
Let's close it.
Please come close. It will not close?
No, it's
Automatic.
closed.
Is it possible not to close?
Maybe just 2-3 minutes. Pag nandun na, magdula ka na, no?
Hindi ko pala nadala yung shade ko. Oh my God.
I had
Yung ano?
ano?
Yung honor? Okay.
Where's
Here's
the
our ano.
Different
Kasi hindi naman.
place.
Wow. Hindi na naman sila ano. Ganda.
Why you're holding me tightly, my dear.
Hindi ka lang nakaganito ako.
Okay, it's very not that
It's not ano.
not that high.
Hindi kagaya nung ano talaga mas nakakatakot yun. Mas nakakamatay.
Ayoko mag-video. Oo, yung isa.
No, I think this one is fine.
Yeah, it's nothing. It's open. It's
Yeah.
different.
Only one, we take train later.
Dito guys, ang daming ano, parang kahit
Medyo
sa
may sarili mo.
kahit saan ka magpunta is may mga simbahan.
Ate, mas mataas pa nga yung balon, no? Mas nakakatakot.
Ayoko na ng balon, natatakot na ako. Dito pa nga lang na para niya naman na uli tayo dun sa kanin, dun
And
sa
you see how many church around.
Yeah,
See,
that's what I
It here is
told
house
in
is
the
very
video.
very near. It's
See?
old Tbilisi. That's why it's very.
church. Church.
Yeah, everywhere church. Yeah,
Yeah.
Too much.
Church.
Too much.
Ay, si mother of ano, Georgia.
Asan yung mother of Jordan?
Ayan yung ilog
Yeah,
Pasig.
the statue. The,
There.
Mommy, can you?
You see these rounds, my dears. From here, when we go down, let's go there. There is waterfall, and Tbilisi found it from this place. These rounds, there are sulfur buses. It's one of the symbol of our Tbilisi.
Tamong iksi nga alam eh.
This is also church and castle we have here. Just it's under rehabilitation. It's closed. You see, there's no rehabilitation now. Like we were yesterday. It's like same around castle.
Can you just at least don't hold me tightly? I cannot breathe.
There's the mother of
She's here.
Georgia.
Why you call that one mother Georgia?
Like mother for us is very main person, and woman also we support women, and for us. Not in like Asian countries, many countries, it's women don't have any rules. Our mothers are very.
Yeah, they have a king, but lady, right?
And I think you all of them who don't born in like Saudi countries, whereas
Oh, no.
oh no, I hate it.
Yeah,
Oh no, we're here.
When I look at them,
We're here.
I think recently
when I look how
We're done. Thank you, thank you.
actually this only a transport
Okay, we came from there.
means of transport.
We come from there. Saan tayo galing ha? Ah. Yeah. Give some coins to kuya. Pwede yan, no? 5. Oh, De La Filipino here.
Ate, yan siya nag-like.
National anthem. You even know the national anthem, ha? Bye, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. National anthem.
he knows all countries.
Hindi ko talaga kaya yung wala, alam kong walang ano. Yung sila...
May mga anuhan din dito. Souvenir items plus pagkain. Marami sila rito guys ng mga pomegranate. Para mayaman sila dun. Look at the view. Anong pusa?
Because of the weather condition, they needed to change several times.
Papunta kami doon sa Mother of Georgia. Mother of Georgia.
Wow, di giniginawa. Malapit lang naman pala.
Yes, this side, this side.
Mother of God.
Wow!
Daw niyan may botanical garden.
Darling ah.
Huwag ka mag-video, may picture ang gawin mo.
Ang ganda, picture tayo.
Ito si Mother of Georgia kasi nakatalikod siya sa atin. Kaya tatawagan natin si Mother of Georgia. Pakinggan natin ang sasabihin niya.
Once a tourist asked me if my hands ever got tired. I answered sincerely, yes, my hands are always tired, especially the right one. I arrived on this mountain in 1958 when the Georgians celebrated 1,500 years since Tbilisi was established as the capital city of this country. Honestly, at that time nothing interesting was happening. There were no clubs and only diners existed. Soviet dictatorship surveilled everyone and imprisoned people with different opinion. So I stood alone, whom I could talk to.
O, di ba nakausapan natin si Mother of Georgia, Astig. Tayo na tayo rin guys kay Mother of Earth. Tapos, titrail daw tayo pababa.
Oh no!
Nakakalula ah. Pero ang ganda ng ano. Yun no.
Because of your lifestyle, because work, home. That's all. And that's why they can't work. I mean Yanks. Yanks. Yeah, when we go is in Kazbek, I always take them to what? Yes. And there's a small height. Yes, a very small height. They can't. And I helping them. You can. And always on the road we are meeting really plus 60 generation, you know? Yeah. Europeans, also China. Oh, they are, I don't know.
Church. Too much church here.
Look at them, look at them. Give them the
Low
on the
blood.
road, we are meeting someone, yes? I asking them immediately to kill them.
Ihina ako.
Malamig, hindi ako din.
Chair.
Yeah, too much church here.
Chair.
But when you walk, still far.
Yeah, not far. That's why so many centuries we are still here.
Yeah.
Stay, stop.
Grabe
Diba,
ah.
hindi ako nagpapatak.
Challenging.
Simula nung nandito tayo, sa gabi lang ako nagpapatak.
Nang.
Mata. Ibig sabihin, stress talaga ako sa trabaho.
Ang tuhod ko!
Once I have Philippine guy. And he wasn't interesting, nothing. Only nightclubs he was going and
Nightclub?
like this. He was
So
jealous and,
you love,
yeah, and once he's asking me, Google, why you don't take me in every church? Maki, are you serious? If I take you in every church.
So church. Too much church here, guys.
The main joke is that he's not like this. You know? I was
Ang tuhod.
you know, I know.
Saan tayo galing? Yung church. Dito maraming pusa. Sila Mingming. Yung sa baba maraming doggy. Ako, white pa naman yung ano ko. Socks ko, socks. Baka mapatakan.
In 1 month, after it's the same month. In March, he was again 28 March. He was with me.
Pabida oh. Pabida si Mingming ah. Slippery when wet. Parang bahay ng mga pusa to ah. Ayun na, meron pa rin. Another church guys. From there, meron sa taas. And now again. Diba? Everywhere talaga here is a church. Another church here. Binibigay na yung tuhod ko guys. Ni-injury ang tuhod ko eh.
Oh no!
Ano to? Souvenir wine, 5 gel. What is this? Wine 5 only?
No.
Just for taste.
Glass.
Ah.
Don't scare donkeys.
Territory niya yun eh. Wait.
Video yan.
Naghihintay si ano? Mingming. I think we reach guys. Baba. Wala kang injury yung tuhod nyo. Ako may injury yung tuhod nyo. Yung mga kabahayan dito guys. Not too classy, not too ano. Nice. Tutulay tayo dun sa ano again. Hindi, tutuloy tayo ron sa ano.
Sa
Yung dinaanan natin tuloy kagabi eh. Kanina.
Ano yung pag ganon?
hindi tayo babalik dyan.
Hindi na. Inside? Okay, we'll go inside daw. Okay na mag-walking dito sa area na to guys.
This is old style of Tbilisi.
Oh my God. Picture mo siya te. Okay, nagbi-video ako. Ano to ano? Restaurant ba to? Sarado. Maganda ng ano restaurant niya. Siguro sa gabi talaga sila ano. Kahit may araw, ang lamig, grabe. Pa-shirt lang ako.
nyo kung nahabol natin yung oras. Anong oras? 11:30.
Ay, nagpipicture-picture pa sila eh. Sa park, right? Para sa gabi to buhay, no?
Oo, sabi niya. Pero hindi ngayon. Hindi yung season ngayon dito. Nagiging tambayan.
Some of moving here, just who is living here, they can
This one?
some of moving here.
Oo. So yung shooting.
Ganda ng lugar na parang ano ba tawag dito? Irish Village.
Italy? Italy style?
Literally like this, are they have it? This workers, this is our style, you know, this workers. This, like this.
Bilisan nyo, late na tayo. Ganda ng lugar.
End of the road. We'll go.
Bagal lang dalawa. Ano ba to? Kala ko police. Oh, we are in this place. Ilang katao-tao ngayon. Ay, doon pala tayo nang galing. Tayo umakit kanina. Tapos nag-trail lang tayo pababa. Sarap magpa-araw.
All the streets were like this.
Malamig kasi. Malamig. Dito makaluma na. Doon medyo bago-bago. Ilang katao-tao ngayon. Ay, doon pala tayo nang galing. Tayo umakit kanina. Tapos nag-trail lang tayo pababa. Sarap magpa-araw.
All the streets were like this.
Malamig kasi. Malamig. Dito makaluma na. Doon medyo bago-bago. Yung ibang mga lumang bahay dito guys, may mga ano na. May mga brace. Kasi nga support. Pero yun si Mother of Georgia. Oh. Galing tayo. Naglakad lang tayo pababa. Ano itong mga to?
Ay, bilisan nyo.
This still Tbilisi, ah?
Bulgaria.
Dito medyo may buhay-buhay na yung mga ano. Ito, Lazada. Jordan flag. Cute na mga ano nila rito. Oh, pamain na lang kala ate. Pamain na lang kala ate. Ayan, may mga patol sila. Oh. Ito yung mga napuntahan natin, oh, guys. Kasbegi, Kasketi.
You like to?
No. We already have. Thank you. Ayan, may mga patutur. Ayan sila, oh. Gusto niyo ba mag-tour daw? May Chinese ano pala rito, yo. Shabu-shabu. Dapat pala dito tayo naglakad-lakad eh. Dito ulit tayo nakapag-shabu. Shabu! Ganda, oh. Parang... Oh, come on. Wow. Kaya nga, I think doon tayo papunta sa tulay.
Quickly, I try to show you someplace.
Meron siyang ano eh. May gustong ipagmalaking pupuntahan natin eh. Ako natin, ano yan.
You know what we take dinner last night? This dumpling. When we were in the restaurant, girls don't eat too much. Huh? But when we eat yesterday, they are now almost finished. This dumpling.
When you know for it,
Ganda ng lugar guys. No?
Tayo mo naman sumabay sa akin.
Ha?
Hihingal na ako. Ang bilis niya maglakad.
Ay, ito, ang laki oh. Ito ba yung malaking nakita natin?
Iba yan. Iba yan. Parang dito na rin yung nilakaran namin nung isang gabi. Sa area na to, no? Nung kumain tayo. Yeah, I think somewhere here. Here. Kaku. Here. I'm here. Yun yung cable car, oh. O, di ba? Dito na tayo sa kabilang side. Dito tayo sa ilog. Ayan. Pa-picture na kayo dyan.
stand under him. Stand like this.
Kinita tayo.
Nice life.
Hyper siya kasi nga naghahabol din siya ng ano eh. Ng oras eh. Hindi kayo nakalata.
Life is only night here.
Ayun ang ano, cable car road tayo nang galing.
Cable car.
Upstairs. Ito oh. Kung mahilig ka mag nightlife dito, no? Ubos ang pera mo rin. Daming ano rito guys, sa open yung kahit daw sa kalsada ka lang uminom, walang problema. My goodness.
Ayan. Eh, gilid ka. Para
sige.
makabol. Yan.
Ano lang daw to, nightlife?
Kaya nga eh. Kung mahilig ka mag nightlife, ubos ka rito. Pwede ka rin Jepoy, kung nandito ka pwede kang baka kumita tayo rito. Kanta-kanta lang tayo rito. Kaso, more on Italian sila eh. Para, kagabi daw to buhay na buhay. Sino ka dyan? Ayan, hanggang raw tayo dyan. Pasok daw rito. Mga souvenir items naman.
Many tourists for
Oh,
Japan.
wow.
Good things, you know.
Parang walang tao. Yung mga lumang coins or something. Dito yung mga, parang museum. It's like a museum, right?
You don't try like this kachapuri, yes?
Not yet.
Yeah. This is different types.
What is that? Egg?
Kachapuri, it's kachapuri.
Yeah, but this egg
This is cheese and this is egg.
Yung
And you are
natin.
making mix.
Only this one is nothing.
Yeah. With this one, you drink.
Ayan o, yung parang boy, kala ko bibili ka nito.
Hindi, kakapipicture lang ako. Wala akong banner dito. Hello.
This one I saw, this one. Old cars.
Yeah, meron na rin yun dun. Parang mga parang nga museum siya. Mga.
Like first time.
Uy, nandiyan ka pala. Dito ka pala pwedeng bumili ng magkano naman kaya dito? 2. Magkano bilhin niyo doon? 1?
Tatlo.
O tama, mas mura dito.
Kaya nga eh.
2 lang dito, ayan. Bili namin to doon sa somewhere na pinunta namin is 3.
Ito 20 yan. Hindi, meron tayo na bilhin. Piso lang yun doon. Piso lang yan doon. Dito na. Doon sa atin ang plan natin.
Ano yung kape?
Raw cooking. Raw cooking is very good. Yeah, different
They also have some spices. Uy, nandiyan ka pala.
Mag-isip ka, ano papagala mo yan? Pagkain, hindi ko pagkain.
Hindi na sausage.
Hindi yan.
drink side.
Baka mo hindi katanggapin sa ulo.
Hindi, sa ano, pwede rin.
Guys, what it will be? How you see?
Ito, ano ito honey?
Ito, almond honey. Ano kaya yan? Tinong isang or
We call it Georgian Snickers by Joe.
they're sweet. I thought it's a sausage.
We got sausage.
No, not it's sweet. Our traditional sweet.
They said it's a traditional sweet. Georgian traditional
We're
sweet.
making here wine.
Hindi siya, no?
Yeah, pushed like this. And
Ah,
from here is coming then juice of wine.
This
Here we're
three?
making these three. Yes, here we make mother's bread. Georgian bread.
okay, yeah.
Besides fire, then putting.
Yeah.
Wine ice cream. Wine ice cream.
Walang patikim.
Get ano kaya.
Sayang naman, Lord. Thank you. Okay, labas na ulit. Grabe kung saan nagsusuot itong mga to. Uy, another church. There's the cable car out there. Free wine tasting, ayun. Wala bang banyo? Bakit to? Wala ka ng coins? No, ma'am. Wala nang coins, ma'am eh. Sorry po. May mga namamalimos din pala rito, guys. Kaso naubusan na tayo ng coins eh. Saan na nga ba yung mga coins natin? Namigay na?
Na kay ate. Ay, di ba binigay na natin dun sa ano? Order natin.
Yung, lahat ng coins?
Hindi pa ata. Iba din ewan ko ng iba.
Yun na. Nasa kabilang ko. Siguro dahil ubos na ang aking memory. Oh, another church. But small one. Ito hindi umi-slide yung mga yun.
Ito may harap.
Patarik siya guys, pero mukhang hindi siya patarik sa video. No? See, naka-inclined. Mayaman sila sobra rito sa wine, kaya ultimong ice cream nila may wine. Ice cream wine. See, nagkalat lang yung mga wine.
Ito baka refill lang yan kasi bukas.
Ayan o, yung US dollar is 2 point. US dollar buy and sell.
Ligat natin. Para pa tayo sa sasakyan.
Pupunta yata tayong Botanical Garden eh. Kasi ito na yung ano. Ano? You know, walking is good for your heart.
Sabi lang, pagod na ako, bilis niya. Bakit kasi nahabol din niya yung oras eh.
Ano sila?
It was boiled already. It's very hot, and they say how hot is it? And our name, city's name, is coming from there. Tbilisi is hot.
Yeah.
So Tbilisi name is coming from here.
Hot.
Yeah.
Grabe ang kaso rito.
Oh, nice.
This water is coming from waterfall, and also it's from buses.
Some waterfalls?
Yeah.
So we will go that waterfalls.
Halika na, jump.
Nothing original, but I will do.
Halika na, photo, bilis. Arlene, bilisan niya kayo. Jaldi.
Yung ano, parang nakakita ako sa Paris ba yun? May ganyan.
Come on.
Saan ba?
Dito sa gitna. Papan's Bridge, go.
Stand is a bridge like this.
So may pasayawan dito guys. Pwede kayo sumayaw-sayaw kung gusto nyo. Dito sa loob ng mga ano dati may CR.
May mga bayad kasi yan.
Napuno na to ng padlock. Eh. Okay guys, kung gusto nyo maligo, kung ano, maligo talaga. Lamig kaya. Kaya pwede nyo raw inumin yan guys kung gusto nyo inumin. Road trip yung uminom. Yaman sila sa ano, katubigan. Yaman din sila sa careful with the ano, pomegranate, yan. Lamig dito ah. Uy, ano, Sweetie Bird. So yun ang falls. Trip yung maligo ron. Pwede kung kaya rin nyo. Lakad pa tayo pabalik. Remember. Lamig dito ah. Naka-shirt lang ako. Ayun yung falls. There is the falls. End of our journey.
Okay, pusta. Where's the Pepe?
Okay guys, babalik na tayo sa sasakyan yata. Ewan. Ito mga kasama natin pag hindi na kaya maglakad. Pagod na. Ako nga, naka-short pa ako. Sobrang lamig kaya. Kasi ngayon na rin yung flight namin guys. Time is 12 na. Ang pipick upin kami sa hotel ng 2. So anyway, malapit lang naman kami rito. So ito na ang ating last gala rito sa Tbilisi, Georgia. Ano na tayo? Go back there, go back. Pumasok tayo sa ano guys, tunnel. Lang ilaw. Atake! Mga there's a photo ng old Georgia. See? Old Georgia. Paglusot daw natin nito, doon na tayo sa kabila ng...
It's always playing, Mikey. It's always playing. All the time playing. Maybe someone forget switch. Oh, just no, listen. Maybe it's more early.
Usually daw itong cave na to, tunnel is... Wala, nagpe-play lang daw sila ng music dito. Ano?
Kala ko talik ko.
Ano, paano mo, yung ano mo? Ilaw.
Wala, hindi ako nililigo.
Sige, Boboy.
Ano?
May ilaw ka?
Oo, may automatic ilaw siya. Oh.
Wow.
Hindi ko alam.
Dotek pala yan sa'yo, ma'am.
Palit ka na iPhone 17.
Okay na ako dito. Sige, dito mamaya.
Hoy, lalangoy tayo ng ano raw. Ano bang gagawin natin dito?
Hindi, mataas yan. Ayan lang, may ano.
Hindi. Lalabas lang tayo rito.
May taas.
Ang galing ha. Tapos yan, nasa kabilang side na tayo. Tubig na pala ng ilog yun. Ay, baka malaglag ito. Wow, nice. Tayo nang galing cable car. Nakapanood ko lang sa ano to, ano ba yun? May kanon. Padlo ba? Regular.
Yes, sir. I will continue to the...
Another church. Tapos nandun si... Is that King who's that king?
Who is founded Tbilisi in 5th century?
Ah,
Not that. Not that. Some, I don't know their name.
ano yan?
They are fishing here now.
Ah,
They are fishing
yeah, I think it's a pigeon.
Ayun na tayo.
Pero malapit na. Okay din yung ginawa natin na yun. Hindi tayo nang galing guys sa kabunduang yun. Ayun daw si King nakahanap ng Tbilisi. Yan King. Yeah, there's the king. Ay, gali Extra city. Nandun na tayo guys, dito tayo nakapark. Dito tayo ron. Lapit-lapit na. Kaso mukhang aakyat pa tayo rito. And that's it guys. Tapos na tayo rito sa Tbilisi, Georgia. So hindi na kami pinapunta ng tour guide namin. Kinuha na lang yung sasakyan, hintayin lang namin dito sa sa bus stop ko eh. So waiting lang tayo. Thank you Georgia for the memories, for unforgettable experience. Love it, really. So, waiting. Oh, ayun na siya. Hindi kaya siya mapain yan?
Hindi, last ano to.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, pack up na tayo. Nandiyan na in 5 minutes ang ating service pa airport. So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Kasabay pa natin ang mga pana. So, let's go guys. Hindi pala, mukhang laki lang.
Kulay itim yan.
Bye guys. Ayan ang ating bye. Bye Hotel Lighthouse. Thank you for some few days of stay here. Wow, English. Oh, pamain na lang sila, guys. So, bye-bye na. Bye-bye, Georgia. Okay, checking in, guys. Thank you, Georgia, again for a wonderful experience.
Kami, nakasama ang mga passport.
Okay, immigration na tayo guys. Gara lang ang airport nila, parang panis sila. Ito, at least panis sa atin to sa airport natin. Ito lang ito yung mga fly Dubai. At least meron silang for Muslim also. Oh, uwi na.
Back to Dubai!
Buti pa itong mga to, walang pasok bukas. Ako lang may pasok.
Nag-off na kami, nung kita ko, ilang first time lang.
Your attention please
Oh, kunin mo na to, darling.
Police immediately
Kailangan pa ba ito?
to the gate number 1024 Rodrigo Alonso.